Mid-Atlantic Colonies by Carly and Audrey.
The Mid-Atlantic colonies have rich fertile soil which is great for crops. West of your new farmlands are the Appalachian Mountains, so you don't accidentally pass the border. And to the east there are deep harbors, perfect for trading. The Mid-Atlantic colonies are famous for their crops of wheat and rye. If you're not into farming, then you can fish, raise livestock, or if you're skilled, be an artisan such as a blacksmith. If you don't have enough of something, then we can arrange it for you to trade with the other colonies for items like tobacco and metal tools.
The states of the Mid-Atlantic colony are Pennsylvania, New York, West and East Jersey, and the 3 counties of Delaware.
Are you a farmer? If so, then in the Mid-Atlantic you will have a higher class than in England. If you're a woman, you will get a better education to buy and sell food.
After you've grown and dried and prepared all your materials, you can go to market town to make your profit.
Are you a Puritan? Are you a Quaker? Well, it doesn't matter in the Mid-Atlantic. Here, all races and religions are accepted and treated equally, giving us a diverse background.